Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video we'll be working on a Ford Fiesta MK7, the generation from 2008 to 2017. So that whole car, guys, will be taken apart. Make sure you subscribe, more than 200 videos coming soon, so if you need anything we will probably have it. Let us know and we'll make it. Okay, so today, guys, we're going to show you how to remove and replace the interior light switch. Okay, this one right here that switches the lights for the footwells, you know, the cup holders right here as well, that changes the color. So if yours is not working or you need to take it off, we'll show you how to do that. Stay with us and let's start on it. All the tools that we'll be using, they will be in the description of the video below, so make sure you check it out. That way, if you need anything, you know how to find it quick. We'll try to list everything that we use. Next you need a panel removal tool. Okay, and right here you're going to pry a little bit, okay, to get this thing out. And then you need to pull a little bit towards the front, okay, like that. We need to do the same thing on this side. Okay, and on this side it's a little bit tighter. One of the sides will be always, okay, a little bit tighter. So let me just grab it quick. So again the same thing, and you need to go towards the back. Okay, like that. You have to be careful not to break anything. Now with the plastic removal tool there is a clip here and one clip here. Now you have to be careful, sometimes they will fall off, so you have to hunt for them once you remove the panel. Okay, and you need to start working your way up there. There is two more clips. Now you need to disconnect the wires. Once I disconnect them, I'm going to show you what you need to do. Okay, so these wires, guys, on the bottom side you have a thing that you press down. Okay, right here, press down and pull. So let me show you now where all the clips are. Okay, you can see right here you have two clips, two right here. Okay, ours two are missing right here, so those fell out, and two on top. Even without the middle ones you can still do it, but usually they'll be down there, and you can reach them by removing the shifter board right here. So this is the interior light switch, the one that changes colors. So you have two teeth, guys, holding right here, one and one on the other side. You press in, okay, with a plastic removal tool, or with a panel removal tool, pull it out. Okay, and this is the switch right here. Those are some of the numbers if you need them. So not very complicated to remove that thing, or if you need to replace it. You put everything together in reverse order. We took it apart. Thank you for watching. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.